PPF is paint protection film. So whether it's protecting your painted surfaces, your headlights, your taillights, even your windshield, it's meant to stop any debris causing damage to your exterior of your vehicle. So it helps protect against winter salts, acid rain, rock chips, anything that's on the road that could fly up and hit your vehicle. One of the reasons why you want to PPF your vehicle is to protect your investment. You want to make sure this thing looks as killer as it does when it came off the assembly line. So we offer 3 packages. We have a driver's package, track package, and then we have a full body package. We use Steck for our PPF here. They also have a ton of different colors and finishes in their materials, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to offer them. It has a 10-year warranty on it, and after the 10 years, you are supposed to replace the PPF because you're past its longevity of its lifespan. PPFing your vehicle can take anywhere from 3 to 5 days, depending on how involved you get, whether you're just doing a front end or you're doing a full entire body of your vehicle.
This 2023 Aston Martin V12 Vantage, they only made 333 of them. It being the last of the V12s, it was incredibly rewarding, and having it protected with PPF, it had to be done or I wouldn't drive it. Protecting not only the investment, but protecting the paint, I think it's really worth the time and the money. At the end of the day, you want to really enjoy your vehicle. It's something that I think everybody should do if you have a car that you love or a car that's an investment or both. And man, I cannot wait to put the pedal down. That V12 will just be something else.